This is the field of corn in Columbus, Ohio. Dublin. This is the corn. This is the field of corn in Dublin, Ohio. Frantz used to be here. Can I ask you something?
What would I ask?
Why did you come here?
Why, Dylan? Why do we visit the field of corn? I think we like cement corn. Yeah. Cement corn aficionados.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
The corn is over 1,000 pounds. Wait, I don't know if I can even carry it. This area symbolizes farms that used to be here, like cows, corn, and like maybe ducks and like rabbits and horses. And maybe they grow carrots here. You can see how big it is. It's human size. Look, I'm too short to go all the way up there. Look, that's my height. I'm almost at the top. It's so close. When I'm a grown-up, maybe I'm taller than I'm at the top. It sounds a little corny. That's a kernel of truth. I'm Nini, NKNS. Thank you.